much light. Yeah. Oh. Do you think he gets dizzy in there? Do you think he gets dizzy in there? Can't see you now. Come back. Oh! He's stuck in between the chair. Come back. Come in the light. Come on. Just don't poo all over my room. He's grooming himself. Great. Great timing. Run around, you crazy little. Oh. Can't get up, can you? Ew, he's pooed. He poos a lot, doesn't he? Oh, ooh. Yeah, probably.
Why are you going on the stand then?
Because I want him to explore my house. Do you think he's scared? He's probably like, why does this keep moving? She said I would need a big one. I don't think so. I think this is too big for him. Look how small he is compared to the ball.
She just wants you to buy more.
Probably.
You said you were on a budget and she tried to make you buy more.
I know. I love how she had to ask me that.
What?
Am I on a budget? Like, if I wasn't, would you try and sell me all your expensive stuff?
Oh yeah, this is very
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna stop filming. Cute as you are.